Good morning, class 8 statistics. I have explained some mathematical terms in statistics, mean, median, mode. Now you will see if data are given, how can you form frequency distribution table. So now you can see exercise 18, question number 8. In 8, these are the monthly rents in rupees of 30 shops. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 shops, and these are the rents using the class interval of equal width. In some question may be given hint, you have to choose this lower limit and upper limit. But if not given, so you can also form the class interval by suitable range, but it is range should be equal. But here is given 40 to 50. Here already given instruction. वैसे आपको हम बता देते हैं कि इसको निकालने के लिए we have to find two values, minimum and maximum. So minimum you can see if you watch carefully. So minimum is 37, sorry, 37 I suppose. 31 is the minimum rent in the given information, or maximum, if you watch carefully, maximum is I suppose 87, so 87 is the maximum. So you should be very vigilant. No data should be left. So minimum is 31 and maximum is 87. Now you have to divide. अब इसमें आपको डिवाइड करना है कि कितना का विड्थ को लेंगे. आप 5 भी ले सकते हैं, इक्वल विड्थ होना चाहिए, एंड 30 शुड बी. तो यहाँ दिया हुआ है 40 to 50, एग्जाम्पल दिया है 40 to 50, यानी टेकन width is 10. This is called range. The difference between upper limit and lower limit, that is called range, that is called width. तो minimum 31, तो इसको ऐसा करते हैं, 30 से लेते हैं 30 to 40. So minimum will be included here. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, width should be equal, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80, and 80 to 90. Alright, sir, why have you taken from 30? Because minimum is 31. So no importance of taking 0 to 10, 10 to 20, because no value in the given data. So if hint is not given, so you can also choose some proper range, and this is called class interval. So 30 से हम लेंगे तो ये include आ जाएगा, and 80 to 90 जो maximum है 87 वो भी आ जाएगा. लेकिन इसमें एक चीज ध्यान देना है कि ये इसका अपर लिमिट है, वही इसका लोअर लिमिट है अगले क्लास का. तो ये जो दोनों वैल्यू लेंगे तो दैट विल बी मिस्टेक. So one thing you should remember, this upper value is not included in this class. So actually you have 30 to 39 and this will be 40 to 49. But it is mentioned in the class interval 30 to 40 and lower limit and upper limit. So that is the important point you should remember. This value is not taken in this class. This value will be taken in this class and similarly in other classes. Now you see, so column you have to prepare. So one is tally mark. Tally means आपको देखना है कि 30 to 40 यानी really you have to see 30 to 39. तो देखिए आपका जो डेटा है 30 ये इंक्लूड रहेगा 1, 2 and now you see 3 and you see 4 and 5 and 6. तो 6 are. तो इसका मतलब टैली मार्क ऐसे लिखते हैं just like slightly oblique 4 and this is 5 and this is again 1 and this will be frequency. The frequency आप बता चुके हैं, number of times observation occurs in a given data, that is called frequency. So that will be 6. And now you see 40 to 50 means 40 to 49. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is frequency 8. So this is known as frequency distribution table. 50 to 60 and 50 to 59. Again 50 to 59, 1 and then 2 and see 3. So this is 1, 2, 3 and this is frequency 3. 60 to 69. 60 to 69 again, 60 to 1. 60 to 69, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 4. 70 to 79. 70 to 79, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. 80 to 90 means 80 to 89. How many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you check, because this data is of 30 shops. Now find the sum of frequency, sigma, summation, frequency, कितना आ गया? 8, 6, 14 और 3, 17 और 4, 21 और 6, 27 और 3, 30. This means our frequency distribution table is okay. So in this exercise, you have to learn how can you form frequency distribution table. If data are given and in the question may be given class, for example, and if no class is given, if it is said that you choose a suitable class, range, and then you prepare. So you have to see what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value. So in this, वैसे इसमें hint दिया है, लेकिन suppose not given, you will select minimum values. The minimum value is here 31, or maximum is 87. Now for these two values, you can divide into range of 5 or 4 or 10. So if range difference is very low, so width will be less. That will be convenience point of view. So 31 to 87. And now we have taken the difference, width of the class 30. So this is range in class. इसको हम कहते हैं class interval. क्या बोलते हैं? Class interval. And this is a lower limit, and this is upper limit. And second column tally mark. ये tally mark इसको बोलते हैं. This is just like a symbol counting the number of observations. And this is frequency, you know very well. लेकिन the most important point is to be remembered that 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. तो यहाँ जो अपर लिमिट है वो लोअर लिमिट है, यहाँ जो अपर लिमिट है लोअर लिमिट है अगले क्लास में. तो यदि दोनों जगह काउंट कर लेंगे तो दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. सो फॉर नॉलेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दिस 40 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस क्लास. दिस इज इंक्लूडेड इन दिस क्लास. 50 will not be included in this class. 50 will be included in this class. So that is the most important point. And by counting, so 30 to 40, then 30 to 39, you count very carefully and you write the tally mark and you put number of frequencies. So this will be, and you can check whether you are right or wrong. ऐसा नहीं कोई data छूट तो नहीं गया. And if you find the sum, and if you see the question, in the question these are the range of 30 stops. So we are getting the sum of frequency 30. This means no data has been left, and so this is absolutely correct. So my dear students, you can go through all the questions in exercise 18. You read the question carefully and you see what is the direction of the question, what you have to do, whether you have to find the frequency distribution table or what is the very variety of question may be in this data. If I ask you, see how many stops in which the range is maximum, what will be the answer? So maximum range देखिए 87. So 87 यहाँ count कर लीजिए कितने हैं? That will be the answer. That depends upon the question. So that's all for today, and you will try to complete the exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.